Greetings, I'm going to explain about a project. We're going to do a simple task, the task about water plants. Also, we have a little 2 diagrams where you're going to see main problems or secondary and different kinds of solution for each problem. About the presentation of this diagram, the explanation going to be development, starting talking about, for example, the first square, then I'm going to explain his own effects and so with the others. On the case about problems, we can see like a main problem is based only for cost to water a plant. The first cause, the first square, spend time with a plant because while a major time major water for the plant and be healthy and lush. The second square, lack of attention and insufficient for the plant because this is like a child who needs attention, hiring an employee who going to charge many money which we should use for other things. The first square of the third cause. The third square is makes about talk about expensive methods for increase the height and his healthy like by fertilizer and other methods to improve the plant. The fourth square, plants lose it. Reasons about attention because every plant needs love and comprehension. About the second cause, less effort also we see on not less effort also we see on the next square unbalances with schedule. Finally, we see that this plan requires a road so high for all the tasks. Well, in the case about the solution tree, we are seeing all the parts of the problem tree. The detail of this tree is reflecting all the opposite parts of the problem tree. I'm going to explain now on the first causes some many. On the first square says, while a plant has more water, the cost of fertilizer is less. The second square says, dedication from other entity who can solve basic needs of the plants going to save more time and effort. The next square, every plant going to control his own level of salt using hardware or software which are reliable because computers do these tasks better than a human. Finally, the fourth square of the third cause says that while less lost plants because these plants haven't the attention enough to continue life. So this factor increase the number of plants. Well, I finished the first cause. I'm going to go for the second cause. Process automation. First square. The first square says more dedication make lashes flower using machine with its programming for a specific task. The second square balances of schedules, more planning of things which make a good organization and a better care schedule. A human or a man who can better schedule or have a good organization going to have time for everything. Well, on the last square, less required that require less time from a carer and so have more time useful instead of a plant who needs time, love, attention. Well, this is all. I am Jose Adolfo. It's a pleasure to talk about this interesting project which changed the life of many plants lovers. That's all.